Peace, family. The Fed has made its decision. The stock market has too. So let's go check the charts. It is time to do the weekly installment of the stock market recap. Let me know in the comments where you're from. I'm very interested in seeing where you're at. That helps me interact with you because I love knowing about you. So the stock market, we're going to start with the S&P. S&P closed at 3,693. So 3,693 and 23 cents. All right, let's break things down here. So here is where the Fed made their decision. This candle here, all right? Everybody who was very news related, there it is. There's your candle in order to show you the impact that made. But here's where I'm going to say news didn't matter, because up here is where I said this was the key resistance level, or key level in general, that if it did not get penetrated, that we would likely move back to those lows and tested them out. And here we are. Here we are. Now we're testing out those lows. So we're going to figure out what type of strength the market has. If it can hold up, then we'll have a chance for another rally. If it can't, we got more downside, and it's not good at all. So what I'm looking at is this pattern here, family. Let's learn this. This is what's called a bear flag, or you can also call it an H pattern. Very simplistic pattern. What we're going to see is if this level breaks, we move lower. And if we do end up breaking that, it is not good. We're talking about S&P 2,800. That's how low things can go. And we're hanging around 37 or so. Look, I'm a fan of the market holding up as much as possible, but I'm also a fan of good pricing. If I get a good price out of this next drop, I'm good with that. Remember, as things continue to move lower, we want to try to add to our positions in order to take advantage of a future move, because the market right now may continue to pull its money out based on the fact that it knows the Fed is going to raise its rate. So I can park my money elsewhere very safely and not have to worry about being involved in the market. That's how the market continues to think. If the interest rates are going up, something like a savings rate will continue to go up. Other places, bonds, will go up. I can pull my money out, put it into that investment vehicle, and not have to worry about the risk. Then that is what they're going to do. So it might be on. Watch for the support level to see if it holds up. That's the S&P. Let's check out the Russell. And with that, we use ticker IWM. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button if you're brand new to the channel. You will get all of the content because we do this on a weekly basis. All right, so IWM closed at 167.31. Man, things are getting dismal out here. All right, we've got a whole bunch of lines on here. If that's confusing you, I will remove these because they're no longer relevant until the price actually gets into those ranges. So here we are back at the lows, testing it out. And on this side of things, we see once again, move lower, we bounced, came back here. This typically is a continuation signal to move lower. And we've talked about this pattern here of the inverted cup and handle pattern. There's a lot of bearish activity going on out here. Things just don't look good in general. We had some, positive vibes going, but positive vibes don't drive the market. Money does. Money is leaving. Money is telling you that we're about to get out of here. The door will open if this level does not hold. Do I think this level will hold? I don't think anything except for the price is going to move. We're going to keep a close eye on this support level just as much as we're going to keep an eye on the support level on the S&P. So that is the Russell. Let's go ahead and check out the Dow and see what's going on over there. What type of activity can we see on there? So tell me what stocks that you're looking at. In the past, we've had some comments. I'll include it in the next recap, right? Throughout the week, I also do my favorite stocks: Apple, Amazon, Meta platforms, Netflix, Alphabet, and Tesla. So if there's a stock that you are looking at and you want me to take a look at, bring it on. Put it in the comments. Let me know. The Dow is at 29,590.41. Oh Lord! Once again, blood is in the streets. These are new lows, family. The Dow said, we bypassing all y'all. We leading the path. The Dow is at brand new lows. We're at the 200-day moving average. So somebody better step in and start saving some things here, because if not, the floor is open to move to the new price target of, let's say, 26,000. All right, so 26,000 is where the Dow could end up going if this does not hold up. This can get ugly, ladies and gentlemen. But are you ready? Are you ready to protect your money? Because this is what this series is all about, is helping you learn to protect your money. There are spots where you get out, there are spots where you get in. You just got to know that to protect your money, it's up to you. All right, reading a chart definitely helps you understand where those points of entry are at and exit, so you can understand what to do to protect your money, because no one's going to do a better job at it who cares about it more than you do. All right, that is the Dow. Lastly, let's take a look at the Nasdaq, and we use ticker NDX. Don't forget to make sure you hit the subscribe button. All right, tell a friend, tell your mama. All right, this is where you learn about how to read these stock charts with simplicity. As you can see, we've gone through 3 of them. We can get to the 4th one just as easily. All right, that's 11,311.24. And let's take a look at what's happening with the Nasdaq. All right, the Nasdaq is not as gruesome as the Dow is. The Dow is saying, we at new lows. Y'all coming? Support is still around this 11,000 area, and we're holding up tight right now for the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq is also showing a very similar pattern as the S&P and as the Dow, except for the Dow is cracking. This H pattern is also indicating a move lower. This support breaks. Next level is, we gotta back out. That's how bad it is. Goodness gracious. All right, if we have to back out, that is, family, you don't even want to know what I'm about to say. Around 10,000. Around 10,000. We'll just put it that way. All right. That's all 4 indexes in a nutshell right there. Down. That's it. Down. DOWN. All 4 indexes are giving you really no signs of relief right now until we get some confirmation, and we'll hopefully have that next week. If it continues to move lower, just expect it to continue to go down. The month of October is not a friendly one. It is often a bearish one, and we could continue that pattern. So earnings season is right around the corner. All stocks will be they'll start coming out probably the first week of October or second week, one or the other. But anyway, earnings week is coming, and we're going to start seeing some stocks report something that's happening, and don't be surprised if all of a sudden things start to tick lower. Protect your money, family. This is the basis of this. This is the value of what I bring to you every single week. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and tell your mama. All right. Check me out next week. I want you to enjoy your weekend. As I tell you every week, take care of yourself. All right. You are the most important person in your life. Make sure you take care of yourself. Health is wealth. Drink your water. We don't drink enough water in the day. A lot of us have headaches, all of this good stuff. Drink your water. It will take care of yourself. I can preach this every single day. All right. The financial fitness, that's great, but fitness for yourself is better. All of this. All right. I'm going to enjoy my weekend. You make sure you do the same, and we'll catch you next time. All right. Peace.